Today we'll be making a Big Mac inspired smash burger. All right, we're gonna start preparing our meat for our hamburgers. So this is just ground beef, and I'm gonna be adding Montreal steak spice, some black ground pepper, and some onion powder. And honestly, guys, this is a measure with your heart. So we're just gonna go for it. Start by adding some Montreal steak spice. Pretty generous amount. Pepper. I love pepper, so add a good amount of that. And onion powder, like so. Just gonna mix it with our hands. Feel free to use other spices if you like. Garlic powder, more salt. You can do it just a simple pepper and salt. That's like so. Now we're going to measure out balls that are 1/4 pound. So we've got our barbecue here heated up. Our steel is at, let's see, 430 degrees. I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil on there, prevents sticking. And then we're gonna go for it and put our burger balls straight on, giving enough space because they're going to spread out when you smash them. Then you wanna grab a piece of parchment paper and your Atlas steel burger press. Place that parchment paper over top of the burger ball and smash it down. We're gonna do that with all 4. There we go. Close the barbecue for about a minute and then we're gonna flip them over. All right, we're going to flip them over now. Close up our barbecue for another minute to let the cheese melt. All right, we are going to stack them now because I like to have 2 patties on a burger. That's the way McDonald's does it, right? And there you have it. We're gonna start off with 1/2 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of minced onion. Then we have 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm just gonna give that all a mix. And there you have it. This is what we'll be using for our burgers. Now it's time to assemble the burger. So we've got our burger bun here that we toasted. And we're going to put our burger sauce on top. Some shredded lettuce. Followed by our burgers, our meat. We're gonna top that with some more burger sauce. A little bit more lettuce. And some pickles. I don't know about you, but pickles are like my favorite part of a Big Mac. And finally, the bun.